Hello, this is Team JIE7323 FoodTrack, composed of John Lim, Kim Nguyen, Jong Hong Sun, Jeremy Winter, and Zihan Zhu, and this is our video demo for Sprint 3. Our mobile application, FoodTrack, generates recipes for people with hypertension as a medical condition. Through using FoodTrack, users are able to generate healthy recipes that are tailored specifically to their health profile and track their management of hypertension with a BP score tracker. For this video demo, we will be briefly outlining what we implemented in Sprint 3 and walk through the 4 main features we implemented in Sprint 4. Our first feature we implemented in Sprint 3 was the Custom Recipe feature. First, click the Custom Recipe button and you'll see the page where you can create your own recipe. There's an image placeholder for you to upload an image of your recipe, a recipe name text field, an ingredients field, a directions field, and a health tag field. Clicking Save will save this recipe and allow it to be accessed in My Custom List. Now let's go back to the landing page to see a detailed recipe view. By selecting an image on the landing page, we can go into a detailed view of the recipe. Here we can see the recipe title at the top, an image of the recipe below it, the average rating of the recipe, a bookmark button to save it, and the ingredients and directions for the recipe. At the bottom of the recipe's detail page, click on View Comments to go to the comments page of this recipe. Here you can see the comments on it. Scroll down to view more comments, and at the bottom you can enter your own as well. Now let's go back and add a rating to this recipe. Choose the star rating that you want to give it, and then click Save to confirm the rating. Now the average rating will take your input into account. That concludes the features of Sprint 3. Our main features in Sprint 4 finally allow specific user credentials for our application. To access our application and save your personal data, we start out by registering for an account. Click on the Register tab. Fill in your email, username, first name, last name, password, and password confirmation into the fields. Now click Register and your account will be registered and taken to the landing page. Now let's log out to see how login functionality works. Click the hamburger icon and select Log Out. This will bring us back to the login page. Type in the email and password you used to register your account, then click Login. If used correctly, you will be brought to the landing page. Now it's time to see your current notifications. Click on the bell icon on the top right corner. This will take you to the notifications page. Currently, we only have one notification since we just registered, which is a welcome notification. If we clicked on the notification, it will unhighlight, meaning it was read. To delete this notification, simply click the X button next to it. To have easier navigation in the application, we added an action bar to the top of the screen. This shows the app name, the hamburger icon, the home icon, back icon, and bell icon. All of these make it convenient for the user to get around the application. Also, by swiping right from the left side of the screen or clicking the hamburger icon, we are able to see the side menu panel, which contains links to the user profile, the Generate Recipes page, the Custom Recipe page, recipe lists, and lastly, Logout. All these links make the app much easier to navigate. We have now shown our 4 features from Sprint 3 and our 4 features from Sprint 4. They included the Custom Recipe page, the Recipes Detail page, the ability to comment on recipes, the ability to rate a recipe, registration, login, notifications, and navigation. This concludes our video demo.